When you're ready to upload your syllabus into your course, the first thing you'll need to do is turn editing on. Click the gear shift, click turn editing on, and now you'll see your add activity and resources. You want your syllabus to go in this top general section, so it's available for students to see right away. Since you're uploading a file, you're going to scroll all the way down until you get to your resources. Choose File, and click Add. Here's where you'll name your file. Some teachers decide to put that it is from a certain semester. Just keep in mind if you do that you update it every time we change semesters. You don't really need a description, but you're welcome to put one in there. This is where you upload your file. So you hover over this. I'm uploading a file from my computer, so I'm going to choose Upload a File and Browse. Then I'm going to find the location of my file. Choose Open and upload this file. Now you see my file here. I can go and delete it if it's not the right one, or download it, update it, whatever I need to do. Appearance, you can choose to display it automatic. You can embed it in a Moodle page. You can force that they download it, force that they open it, force that it puts it in a pop-up. I'm just going to leave it automatic. The rest you can leave. Click Save and Display or Save and Return to Course. And this shows you here that we can download it. And that's it.